I ate delicious okonomiyaki for dinner last night.
What's Okonomi-yaki?
Don't you know? Okonomiyaki is one of the institutions of the Kansai region.
Oh really? I didn't know that.
Seriously? Even foreigners know okonomiyaki.
We can cook it easily using a hot plate at home.
That sounds good. I wanna cook it with you.
Okay, let's go to the nearest cooking studio.
Let's cook okonomiyaki.
The ingredients are cabbage, yakisoba, an egg, water, okonomiyaki flour, tempura bits, sauce, and green label. Put okonomiyaki flour and 160 cc of water in a bowl and mix it together. Then add cabbage, tempura bits, green onion, and an egg to that mixture. Spread the mixed batter on the hot plate. The temperature should be about 200 degrees centigrade. After 3 minutes, put yakisoba on the mixed batter. Turn it over and let it steam for about 5 minutes. The temperature should be about 240 degrees centigrade. After you turn it over, put a lid over it. When it turns light brown, turn it over and let it cook about 2 more minutes. To make sure it becomes soft, don't put a lid on it now. Finally, add oyster sauce and then add green label.
Wow, it looks delicious.
We can cook many dishes by using a hot plate, for example, monja-yaki.
This uses almost the same ingredients as okonomiyaki, but the quantities of water and flour are different. In addition, we mix it with seasoning so that it doesn't harden.
I see. Well, let's cook it. The ingredients are monja-yaki flour, water, cabbage, sakura shrimp, tempura bits, soft seasoned squid, oyster sauce, and green label. Dissolve the monja-yaki flour in water. Add oyster sauce to it and mix it in. Put shredded cabbage, sakura shrimp, tempura bits, and soft seasoned squid into the mixture. The hot plate's temperature should be around 200 degrees centigrade. Cover it with just a little oil thinly and spread the ingredient on the hot plate. Stir fry the cabbage. Make a donut shape down with the ingredient. Pour butter inside the dough. When it is simmering, mix the butter and the ingredient. After it is all mixed together, flatten it and spread it out.
Oh, I didn't realize there was such a dish. I've never seen it.
Wow, Natsuki is really stupid.
It's easy to make it at home.
By the way, there's a lot of shredded cabbage left over.
Oh my god, what shall we do?
Hey, don't panic. Do you know any dishes which use cabbage?
I know one. And we can make it with a hot plate.
What's that?
It's called shumai. It's made with cabbage.
Oh my god, this is the greatest day of my life.
This girl has serious problems.
So let's make it. How to cook cabbage shumai. The ingredients are cabbage, minced meat, onion, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, mayonnaise, sesame oil, ginger paste, a chicken stock cube, and starch powder. Dice an onion and stir fry it. Put in minced meat and stir fry the onion and mix with seasonings. Shred the cabbage and roll this mixture up like bite size. Pick up a little cabbage and firmly place it into each bite-sized piece. Pour water into the hot plate. Then put shumai and cover them with aluminum foil. Steam for 10 minutes over a medium flame. Finished.
Wow, this looks easy. Even a complete idiot like me can probably do it.
It looks delicious.
It's healthy because of using cabbage.
The okonomiyaki is delicious. The monja-yaki is delicious too.
And the cabbage shumai is so good.
It's good to know how to cook.
After I go home, I'll teach my family too.
So will I.